Take a moment to settle in and find a comfortable position. You can be seated, you can lie down, you can stand with your knees slightly bent, allowing yourself to sway. Notice what your body wants and desires in this moment, and choose your position accordingly. You can change at any point during the meditation. Breathe deeply as you check in with yourself. How does your body feel in this moment? Be still with your body. This in itself can already be challenging enough. Is there any tension? Is there any relaxation? Is there any part that wants to move and wiggle a little bit as you prepare yourself for the rest of the meditation? Notice, and if there is a request for movement from your body, allow it. Remembering your breath and breathing deeply in and out through your nose. And now bring your awareness to your mind, your thoughts. What thoughts push their way through into your consciousness as you sit or stand or lie in stillness? Is there any sense of urgency or conflict? Do any of these thoughts give rise to emotions? Notice it all without trying to fix it or solve it, without trying to get rid of it or bring it close, just being present, allowing, noticing, nothing more, nothing less. Notice the stillness, the sitting still or being still. Is it challenging? Do you feel the urge to get up and do something? Do you feel the urge to resolve something? Allow that to be, and allow all the emotions to be. Bring yourself back to your breath over and over again. Now inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth with an audible sigh. Repeat 2 more times. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth with an audible sigh. And 1 more time. And on that last sigh, commit to releasing thoughts, tension, emotion. Feel it dissipate and let go completely. At this point, You might feel you want to change position. Lean back, lie down, sink into your knees. And as you do so, begin to feel or imagine your whole being dissipating, the edges and boundaries of what you know as self softening. Begin to become one with your environment, whatever it may be, its rhythm, its flow, the air, the ground beneath you, the stars above, floating clouds, singing birds, buildings, rocks, cars. Begin to become everything and relax into complete and utter being. For the next few moments, there is no you that needs anything or wants anything, for you are everything, and everything is you. Just be. Notice the wisdom that arises in this state, the big picture of life, the universe, and existence itself. With your next deep inhale, bring yourself back to your body. You might put some pressure on your thighs, or your arms, or your heart. Stretch your neck a little bit, wiggle your head, and arrive into the vessel you know as self, my body, my mind, my soul. And bring with you the wisdom of the all, the big picture that puts everything into perspective and restores us with a sense of calm, that we are just where we are meant to be, in the right place, in the right time, and life is a mystery. This meditation is now complete.